This is what you'll need: plate, a cup, dog food, a bait box, another bait box, a jug and a blender. So you go to your blender and you tip in a cup of dog food. Then put your lid back on and turn on your blender. Alright, so I've blended up all mine. And then, oh yeah, you also need a sieve. So you put your sieve on your plate and you tip this into the sieve. There we go. And then you just sieve it all out. Once you've sieved it all out, you'll have pieces like this and you'll have a plate like this. So you tip these pieces back in there, put your lid back on. And then you turn it back on again, and you repeat. Also, you tip this into your pot, and then you repeat that as many times as you need until you have the right amount of ground bait. You can also add different glugs and spices and stuff like that into this ground bait, and it will turn it into a tasty, smelly attractant for carp and catfish and most fish. Bye.